Today I'm going to share with you a social media site that is made specifically for gamers that's going to help you build your brand and grow as a streamer on Mixer. So stick around because I've got you covered. Welcome back everybody, it is Papa Crunk here, and in today's video I'm going to share with you one of the hottest social media sites that's out in the market right now that's going to help you gain more discoverability and help you build your brand right here on Mixer. And before we begin, please make sure to leave a comment down below and let me know what you thought about this video, and also if this site has helped you out in your growth as a streamer on Mixer, and also how it has improved your brand. And if you are new to the stream, please make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and hit that notification bell so that way every time I upload a new Mixer tutorial video, you guys can get notified. You are a gamer and you love to play video games. You love playing with and against your friends. You love getting lost in the stories and the worlds that stimulate your imagination. You love the challenge of solving puzzles and riddles and becoming a better player. To put it simple, gaming is your life. And so you have decided to start streaming. And in the world out there where you see incredible streamers such as Ninja, Summit, Shroud, and even Dr. Disrespect, they're out there killing it with the high amount of viewers that they get, the sponsorships and the deals that they're signing, and they're just making tons of money and have tons of fame. And they're all doing that thing that you love to do, which is to play video games and to entertain people. And now here you are streaming. First you start out super excited, streaming every day, every chance that you get, and all you can think about is your stream and how you want to improve it, how you want to get better, and now you want more discoverability and you want more success, right? Then you see some success, some growth in your community. And now you've decided that this year, 2020, this is the year for you. You have set that goal, but that is not enough for you. You want more and you need more. Now, what if I told you that there is an app right now that you can download absolutely for free right on your Android or your iOS phone that will help you reach your goals in 2020? Now, what if I told you that there is an app out there, an app that can help drive viewers to your channel? Now, what if I told you that this app can help you not only build but grow an audience? Now, what if I told you it's not just an audience, it's an audience of gamers. Gamers just like you, and they love streamers. And that app is called Clutch. Clutch is a social media app that is specifically and exclusively designed for gamers just like you. Clutch gives you access to an audience that not only understands gaming and streaming, but absolutely loves it. The app enables you to upload your clips from all of your gaming devices, such as your Xbox, your PlayStation, even your PC. It gives you the ability to share them on all your other social media platforms. Now, there is no other app on the market right now that is built specifically for gamers and streamers just like you. Here with this app, this can help build up your stream and your brand. The app is so easy to use. You can even go into your profile section and you have links to all of your other social media sites. So it doesn't matter where you stream, Mixer, Twitch, DLive, Facebook, YouTube, even Instagram and Twitter are all right there. And not only that, did I mention that they have a going live section? Yeah, blast that out to all of your followers. And they'll get that live notification, and then you just never know who's going to stop by your stream. And I bet right about now you're asking yourself, why haven't I never heard of Clutch? Why is it that not many people are even talking about it if it's such a really cool thing? Well, it's still such a new app that's out on the market right now. Now just imagine this with me. Imagine if you were part of like one of the first couple thousand people to join YouTube when it first came out, and you continue to keep making videos and having success and growth for years to come, and now you're one of the big top YouTubers. Now imagine if you were one of the first couple of hundred or a couple thousand people to join Twitch when it first started off as Justin TV. and you continue to keep growing, and imagine where you could be at this point years later on down the road. Same concept here. If you can get in now and start making a name for yourself, getting people to see your gameplay and your stream, they will begin to follow you and begin to get to know you. So this way, this helps build and build and build and build your future as a content creator, as a streamer, and as a gamer. Alright, so anyways, everybody, you guys get the picture. You guys get the big point about it. But I highly suggest you at least go by, check it out, at least visit the site. You may not have to upload clips, but go check out some of the other people there. This site just may be what you're looking for to help get you some discoverability out in the gamers market. This is a site that can get you exposure to other gamers on other platforms that could get them to come to you. You just never know who you're gonna attract. This could build an entirely new network for you. You don't know until you don't try. So I just wanted to share this with you so that way you have options for your brand and your growth as a streamer. So I'm just going to drop a link down below for the site, or you can just go to your Play Store or your App Store and you can look for clutch.win and you can take a look and read the reviews. But I'll also drop the link down below so that way you can go check out the website. But anyways, guys, I hope that I've given you guys some really good information here, and I hope I've given you guys something that could be very beneficial to you in your growth and your brand. So anyways, if I did, guys, please give this video a thumbs up, give it a like. Also, please drop a comment down below and let me know exactly what you guys thought about this video. And also, if you are new to the channel, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell. That way, anytime I upload a new video, you guys can get notified. So anyways, everybody, I hope you guys have a great day. And as always, my friends, play more games and get crunk tonight.